Dance merengue with your mama. Dance merengue, know you wanna. A little Mark Anthony, it'll bring it right back to me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fall makeup look for you guys, since we just entered fall, or I don't know exact date when we enter fall, but it's fall season now, even though the weather does not match it because it's still hot. I just wanted to do a fall makeup look today. It's not gonna be a tutorial. I just want to do another get ready with me, since I love those type of videos. So I'm just letting you guys know what I'm doing, and this will be just a fast, speeded up get ready with me with music in the background. I hope you guys don't mind those type of get ready with me, just because I know a lot of people like tutorials and them talking about the products and all that, which I will have videos like that soon, but it's just hard doing that here in this house because I do live with family and it's crazy in this house and it gets loud up in here. Okay, so I decided to do a like orange and yellow eye look. Hopefully it comes out the way I want it to, but I'm still learning with makeup and like half cut crease and all that, so we're learning together because I'm not a professional makeup artist, so I'm still learning. Without further ado, let's get started into this get ready with me. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want. So let me in my heart before. Let me in. Oh, your love explodes. Our heart implodes. Your love explodes. Our hearts implode.
right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want. So let me in my heart before. Let me in. Oh, your love explodes. Our heart implodes. Your love explodes. Our hearts
Dance merengue with your mama. Dance merengue, know you wanna. A little Mark Anthony.